Okay, so we have a PNC question here. We know that there are eight identical pens which are distributed among A, B, and K, so that A gets at least one pen, B gets at least two pens, and K gets at least three pens. Now the pens are identical in nature, so which pens go to which person, or rather, which pens are specifically given to a particular person doesn't matter, but then number of pens that goes to a particular person does matter. So first let us handle the constraint. So we have eight identical pens, so let's keep that as a note. We have these three people, A, B, and K. Now the minimum value that we have to assign, let's do that. So 1, 2, and 3. Now because again, because they are identical in nature, so this doesn't really make any difference. So once you have assigned that, there is an idea of stars and bars, which is very helpful in a lot of different questions. But this particular problem, even if you don't know stars and bars, you can actually solve this out. So I'll show it without it. So once you've done this assignment, so you're done with six pens, right? Now you're left with two pens that has to be distributed to these three individuals. Again, they are identical pens. It doesn't matter which pen goes to which individual. But yeah, the number of pens that it goes. So essentially, these two pens can be distributed in two different ways, two broadly different ways, broadly speaking, that is. One is to a single individual. Let me write it row wise. So the two pens that are left after this. So how to put it? Okay. So I'll do it like this. So this 1, 2, 3 allocation is done. So we are done with six pens. And let me say there are two pens remaining. Yeah. So these two pens can be given to a single individual, or it could be given to two individuals. That's it, right? Nothing more to think about. So single individual, all you have to do is choose that individual. So 3C1, you don't even have to do 3C1. You just need to count three different individuals. So three ways to do that. Two individuals, it will be faster if you understand PNC. So 3C2. Just select the two individuals because they're identical. It doesn't matter which one goes to which one. So just select the two individuals. So 3C2 is also three. So that is also that can also be done in three ways. So we have three ways in the first case and three ways for this next case. So total of 3 plus 3, that is six ways to distribute. So that is the answer, and that is the simplicity of this problem. Even without stars and bars, you can solve this in less than 1 minute. All you have to do is understand the idea behind identical pins. So there are four key differences that you need to know when it comes to PNC. That's addition versus multiplication, selection versus arrangement, identical items versus distinct items, and finally groups versus boxes. So if you are interested, you can check our blog at Mathoratory website. In our website, you can just go to the blog section. In our main website, just go to mathoratory.com and just click on the blogs. That will be V blogs in the menu. So just click on it. There will be an article on basics of PNC, basics of permutation combination. I've elaborated on this differences with very illustrations illustrations and everything. So from very basic idea. So just go through it. You don't need to carry any notebook or something while reading it. Just go through it and just read it out. You'll understand more about PNC than you do right now. So I hope that will be helpful for you, and I hope this question was understood. So thank you.